Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware and the network. Do this first to avoid interruptions. Power up the Xbox Series X, connect Ethernet if possible, and sign into the same Xbox account on your PC. Update both systems so streaming protocols match, and enable network discovery and the Xbox app on Windows. If using a capture card, plug HDMI from the console to the card and the card to PC. Once done, open your capture or Xbox app to detect the console. Now you configure the actual streaming path. This is the detailed middle work. On the console, enable remote features and game streaming so your Xbox accepts PC connections. Choose resolution limits to match your network. On Windows, open the Xbox app or your capture software, locate the console, and start streaming or capture input. Make sure the controller method matches. Connect by USB for lowest latency, or use Bluetooth or the Xbox wireless adapter if you need wireless. Finish by validating the experience. You want playable frame rates and clean audio. Start a game and watch for input lag, stutter, or audio desync. Adjust bitrate and resolution in the app, and make sure the capture card uses correct input. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip first. Switch both Xbox and PC to wired Ethernet, restart them, and then reconnect the app. This resolves most network and discovery problems quickly. Finally, save your preferred settings for future sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.